Level 10, Proficiency. The Dog and the Bone. One day, a dog, delighted by fortune, found a fine, juicy bone and clenched it tightly in his jaws. With pride and satisfaction, he trotted toward home, dreaming of the meal that awaited him. Soon he came to a bridge spanning a clear, running river. As he looked down, he caught sight of what seemed to be another dog, holding an equally fine bone in its mouth. The image was but his reflection, though he did not perceive it. Greed rose within him. Why should he have such a bone? I must have it too, he thought. In his foolishness, he barked fiercely, opening his mouth. In that instant, his own bone slipped from his jaws, splashed into the water, and was lost forever. Thus the proud dog, once rich with treasure, went away empty and ashamed. The fable teaches us that greed, in its blindness, may rob us of the very blessings we already possess.